I'm Kate Ward, and this is your Dickman Farms Smart Gardening Tip. And today we're talking fresh greens, and they really are fresh. They smell absolutely fabulous. They smell like Christmas. So that said, what can you do? What do I have here? Well, this is actually a porch pot bundle kit. So you could take one of these and put it together if you weren't sure what you needed, how many you needed, anything like that. This has got a base for you. It actually could be finished by itself, or could be used for other things. You could put it on the mantle, you can make centerpieces out of it, but let's say you decide to start with that and want to give it a whirl making your own porch pot. And as I know you know, we make lots of porch pots so you can just grab and go and be done. But are you creative? Want to give it your own twist? Here's a great way to do it. So that particular bundle will create what you see here. And porch pots are really simple, actually. It's just a little bit of figuring out. We have these pots meant to go on your porch or outside. They're filled with soil. So it's not going to go inside. This soil is going to hold some water, and when that water freezes, it's going to lock those greens in place, right? And it's much more forgiving than floral foam is, that if you put it in and don't like it and try and move it, it'll destroy the foam. Soil doesn't care, so we use soil here. So you have your soil, you have your pot. This is a 10-inch pot, and this bundle will easily fill a 10-inch pot and look nice. You have all these parts. Normally you put a fresh cut on just because there is a little water take up in there, but not a ton because it's soil. And then we're just gonna push in. Now, these are cut already in various different lengths, so you don't have to do that much additional work to them to get them to layer. But say you had like this piece that's long at the base, you could take your handy dandy trimmers and trim it into more pieces and say like, okay, well this little guy, it's gonna go around here and over to the front and hang over, but this little guy is gonna fill in this center a little bit more. So you can actually break up some of those pieces. But in general, not a lot of additional work needs to be done with this particular pack. So this guy might go in the back here. This particular pot that I'm putting together, I would say goes against a stair or a wall. That's how it could be used. But before you know it, you'll be done with a really nice porch pot that you created yourself out of this bundle. What if you need a little more or want something different? Well, don't worry about it. We've got it. So you'll also find Douglas, you'll find cedar that you could purchase and put in, magnolia. Here's that Douglas. We have this. This is Carolina sapphire juniper, plus many more. So we have everything you need, plus us here at the Garden Center. Happy to help. Get out there, get decorating.